Hey friends! We're having our Samsung microwave repaired today. They brought it in and said it's broken and has been sitting there for several years. I noticed a missing seal inside. Let me show you the full name of the microwave. The sticker should be on the back. I won't be using the microwave without the mica for now. Before I do, I'll check the condition of the magnetron and its cap. I installed the mica to test the microwave. But it's a slightly different size, so this will be enough for testing. I checked it and everything works. I also cleaned off the carbon deposits with sandpaper and wiped it with isopropanol. Let's test how the microwave heats. I've already checked it off camera and everything works fine. I just need to order the mica to fit. You can, of course, leave this one in, but you'll need to trim it down a bit. The water has apparently heated up, and steam has formed on the mug. The microwave is now fully functional. I'm thinking of leaving the mica, as the customer will have to wait a few days if they order it custom-sized. I'll trim it down a bit with scissors and install it in place. I checked the magnetron and it's in perfect condition, as is the cap, which is in excellent condition, like new. To remove it, you need to unscrew 2 screws on the top. The screw next to it holds the white plastic piece in place. You need to unscrew that too to get it out of the way. There's a filter at the input, and the main board is in the panel. The transformer is underneath. Now you just need to reassemble the microwave and then trim the mica, and you're done. Done, friends, another device repaired. See you in the next videos.